galaxy in a jar with chalk and no paint. So first take a cup with water in it, take the chalk, and don't make that sound. Okay. Don't forget to stir occasionally. Don't forget about the cotton ball test. I don't know. Do you like that color? Maybe a little bit more chalk. Don't forget you need to make multiple colors. See? Now, take your jar. You'll need cotton balls for this. More cotton balls! Might be enough. Now, layer the bottom of your jar with cotton balls. Then pick your base color. I'm choosing purple. Pour it in. Now, we need glitter. That's more like it. So take your jar of glitter.
That looks good.
Actually. No. Okay. Yep, that's about it. Actually. Tiny bit. Okay, that's good. Okay, fine. Later we figured out that actually adding it in the water is the better way to go. But next, with your glitter in the jar, you have to take more cotton balls and then just put them in, line them up. Sort of like we did with the first layer. And then you take your water with glitter in it. I'm doing blue next. It's really pretty. And just add it in there. Make sure that it covers up the cotton balls. You don't want it to be too overpowering. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. I'm going to add in some more cotton balls. Serve this right up. Thank you, Layla. Also, right there, that's my brother Luke. Hello, Luke. Okay.
I'm Hayden. Hello.
Yeah, that's right. Now keep doing this until you have all of your colors in there. Okay. Now, your last one, you have to put the cotton balls in, and you want to sort of fill it to the top. Not too much, but you still want to fill it. Okay? Now then, I say that's good. Okay. Now, twist the lid on. It would be bad if it spills. Now you guys have your own galaxy in a jar. Or, more appropriately, rainbow in a jar.